And now President Barack Obama is expected to meet with his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin on Monday. And the White House says Mr. Obama has accepted Putin's invitation for a chance to address Russia's interference in Ukraine. However, a Russian government official says Mr. Putin wants to discuss Syria. VOA's Laditsa Hoke reports.
The American and Russian presidents last spoke by phone in July to discuss the Iran nuclear deal. Their relations have been cooled since Russia's annexation of Ukraine's Crimea Peninsula and its military support for pro-Russian separatists in Ukraine.
That is a clear violation of the territorial integrity of that sovereign nation.
But a Russian government spokesman said Putin wants to discuss Syria. Moscow has dispatched military aircraft and heavy arms to support Syrian government forces in fighting rebels and Islamic State militants. The move is part of Putin's plan to increase Russia's geopolitical influence, says National Defense Institute professor Peter Yeltsov.
He wants the world to focus on his involvement in Syria, on him fighting ISIS and trying to create a new coalition, as he claimed, to fight ISIS, and to completely forget about Ukraine.
The United States opposes Russia's support for the oppressive regime of President Bashar al-Assad.
President Obama will make clear once again that Russia doubling down on their support for the Assad regime is a losing bet. The likely consequence of them doing so is only to deepen and expand the ongoing crisis in that country. That doesn't serve the interests of either the Russian people or the American people.
But the European Union, overwhelmed by the influx of refugees fleeing the region, may go along with Putin's effort, at least for a while, said Yeltsov. Putin could even gain some concessions if he manages to wrest back some of the territory from Islamic State. But in the long run, Russia's involvement is likely to backfire, he said.
He forgot about Russia's experience in Afghanistan. He forgot when empires overextend, they tend to fall. So in the end of the day, this campaign may bury him.
Obama is expected to encourage Russia to join coalition efforts to combat Islamic State. Yeltsov said for now it may be best to let Putin fight in Syria and focus on preventing his takeover of eastern Ukraine. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.